In this video, I'll show you how you can add a LinkedIn hyperlink in your resume. So this is very simple. So firstly, go to your profile in top and click on View Profile. And from here, you need to copy this public profile URL. So just select it and copy it by right-clicking and then click Copy. Or you can press Ctrl+C on keyboard. Then go to your resume. And let's say I would like to make hyperlink on this LinkedIn text. So I'm going to select it, then right click, choose a link, and then paste your LinkedIn URL. Just click insert. And now you click on this. It will redirect you to my LinkedIn profile. So this is how you can add LinkedIn hyperlink in your resume. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.